What I can say though is that if we don't address conflict resolution at the community level, if we don't teach emotional regulation, and if we don't discourage this public confrontation culture, we will continue to see disputes like these end in tragedy. So I just want to say this clearly, because again, I take no side. What I take the side of is thought and before reaction or response, right? This is not about choosing sides. It is not about minimizing suffering, and certainly it is not about presuming guilt or innocence. It is about confronting a societal problem in a Jamaica that is all too often far too combustible, too reactive, where people are too willing to let pride dictate them action. Gasoline don't need much to ignite. The same thing can be said about anger. If we continue down this path, we will not be discussing bail hearings. We are going to start talking about funeral, and the question will be the same.